On the way down screaming, if all we have is time, then we'll be alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to Amazing Amaya, and today I'm gonna show you how to compress a GB file into MB file. So it did not mean that any GB file means like you told me to compress GTA 5 which is 64 GB. It will not happen because it's not possible. So this video only works for between 1 GB to 40 GB. So I hope that's enough. Okay, so for this you will need one application named 7zip, and if you have it, you rock. So here you can download it for Windows. If you have Windows 32-bit, you can download it by selecting this here, and if you have 64-bit Windows PC, you can download it by selecting here. So now let's start the main thing. So now find the folder file which you have to compress. So I have to compress these files. So let's check how many GB they are. So if you want to check it, just select all the files you want to compress, and now select right click and then select properties. So when you select properties, here you can see 1.12 GB. This file contains this much GB. So to compress these files, what we have to do is now cancel this and right click on it, and then select 7zip, and then on the right side here you can see add to archive. Select that, and when we select that, you will get this whole pop-up. So what we have to do is select this compression level to ultra. The default will be normal, so you have to just select ultra and then now select OK. So when we select this, you will get the GB file, and it may take between 10 to 15 minutes to install this, to compress this, and I will meet you when this is completed. And this works guarantee. If somebody is telling it doesn't work, then I don't know what you should do. Okay, so yeah. So guys, one more thing I forgot to tell you was this compression speed, which is now installing, completing, depends upon your computer processor. So if your computer processor is very good, so this installation type of thing will complete faster than it is now installing. I have not my computer does not have a good processor. That's why it's loading really slowly. So this loading depends upon your computer processor. So guys, here you can see the zip file, and I will now extract it to show you guys that it's not corrupted. And now to extract this file, extract this zip file, what you have to do is right click and select extract to this YouTube stuff. So now it will extract, and this also depends upon your computer processors. So I will meet you when this is completed. So guys, as you can see that the zip file has been extracted properly, and let's open this file to see that it's really extracted properly. Okay, so here they are. The file has been extracted, and let's open one file to check that the all things are properly extracted or not. So just select the curve photo, and here you can see all the photos are there. And yeah guys, this is gonna be a short video because it meant to be a short video. And yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I love to do such videos for you guys because it helps you as well as me to share what talent I have. And yeah, and thanks for watching, and I will see you later.
Cat.